Life, someone's ingenious plan, or a property of substance. If we are the product of something so unexplainable, then why do we exist? Looking for an answer, we explore the depths of our imagination. Enchanted by the ideas we find, we start changing the world, molding it to fit our greatest visions. In the past, we could not even conceive what existed beneath the ocean's surface. But now we explore the most remote corners of the universe. We are no longer looking for answers, merely the opportunity to live on. There are too many of us. All borders and rules will be eliminated as we battle for our lives. This could be the end of humanity. Soon it will become apparent that our greatest enemy is ourself. As it unfolds, we realize to live on, someone else has to die. So where does this story begin? 2347 AD, an unidentified object is approaching Earth at the H-146 square just north of Station S-35. All attempts to establish contact are unsuccessful. 5:03 p.m., the object hovers over an ancient crash site where a similar unidentified object has been for 2 billion years. 5:09 p.m., the object extracts a crystalline structure from the wreckage. 5:20 p.m., 2 fighters are sent to examine the extraction site. All devices are destroyed. 5:53 p.m. The unidentified object begins to move and departs from Earth. 6:20 p.m. The object is detected near the lunar orbit. However, further investigation becomes impossible due to the object's high speed. 2 weeks later, the death of microorganisms occurs globally. May 2347. The human population has decreased by 17% since the extraction. The government publishes the news of contact from the unidentified object with hope that the general public will lead them to answers. August 2347. Professor Edward Mengs makes a discovery. His calculations show that the structure taken from the ruins of the old ship contained radiation, which he believes is a source of life for the Earth. 3 days later, Mengs finds evidence of a similar source on one of Osiris's moons. September 2347. The government takes full control of Mengings's investigation and sees this as a historic opportunity to solve the problem of overpopulation. October 1st, 2347. The Operation All-Seeing Eye is launched by Operation Commander Colonel Ray Stevenson. It is a top-secret mission to draw out the source of life radiation from the moon Beta-2. October 14th, 2347, 1:06 p.m. As part of the initial stages of Operation All-Seeing Eye, Lieutenant Frank Myers enters the territory of the radar station, VR-4. His task is to disable the long-distance communications antenna and destroy Professor Mengings's documents. Mings shows up at the station unannounced and unauthorized. When Lieutenant Myers is briefed on the situation, he disobeys the orders of Major Stevenson and goes rogue in an attempt to make the information about Operation All-Seeing Eye public. Stevenson begins to act on a contingency plan and redirects one of the orbiting communication satellites in an attempt to destroy the complex. 5:5 p.m. Just before the explosion, Lieutenant Myers and Professor Mings escape from the complex. October 15th, 23:47.2 a.m. After narrowly avoiding the explosion, Myers joins a prison shuttle crew to follow Stevenson in hopes to put an end to Operation All-Seeing Eye. Possible motives: shut down Operation All-Seeing Eye and to stop the elimination of humanity.